in order to solve this system of inequalities, you're going to want to be using your graphing calculator, and you're going to graph the two inequalities as if they were equations. So you can see the first inequality I graphed as an equation, y equals 2x plus 3. You can see it as the red line there. And then the second inequality I graphed as y equals negative 6x minus 7. Now, we're going to highlight the areas that would be the solutions to each inequality. For example, the first one, we want the inequality that y is greater than or equal to 2x plus 3. So looking at that red line, 2x plus 3, we want all of the y values that are greater or equal to it. So that would be this whole area above that line. All of those points satisfy that inequality. Now, the second inequality states that y is less than or equal to negative 6x minus 7. So again, now that we're going to look at the blue line, which represents the line negative 6x minus 7, and we're going to highlight everything that's below it. So the areas that and overlap here would be the solution to the system of inequalities, which I'll highlight in green as this area here. So that whole area represents the solution to this system of inequalities. Now, the question is, given this system of inequalities, what is the highest value x can be? Well, using your graphing calculator again, you will want to find out the point where these two lines intersect, and we can see that that happens here at the point negative 1.25, 0.5. So that represents the highest x value, negative 1.25. So to answer part A, our highest x value is negative 1.25. For part B, what will y be when x is at its maximum? Well, that's just the y value of that point, which is 0.5. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for choosing JD's Prep.